Sock sliding hamstring curls. For this exercise, you're going to want to take your shoes off. And find a surface that is going to be nice and slippery. So you want to be on a hardwood floor or a tile floor. Try and, unless you have sliders, like furniture moving sliders, you're going to want to stay off the carpet. Now, I'm going to roll my mat up and out of the way as I lay down onto my back. From there, I'm going to extend my legs. I'm going to tighten up my core, squeeze my butt, and lift my hips off the ground. From there, I'm going to slide my heels toward my body, activating my hamstrings, and then extend back out. Work on keeping full hip extension throughout the entire movement. We should never see the hips drop like so. So draw in, glutes active.